Okay, my name is Bright, aka Sound Prince. I'm about to do a freestyle for Nigeria Got Talent. I'm a rapper. This is how I do just the freestyle shit. Is that? Is that? Yo. Okay. You was wanted finest, you're running with the best. I used to be at the bottom, now the top is my address. Nothing was really smooth and nothing was really fresh. My life is to suck, something like a mark to regret. You get to learn from me cause my issue is now official. And if you have for me, I need you something than a tissue. Class is in session, no more to make a tissue. I'm so fat gone. Flow booster man, I sat like virgin. Fly like virgin. Life is a picture, make you think that I'm a virgin. I drop the single shit, do a thing that I was forging. Drop a rapper up, lyrical clip, and now you're making history video. You can call me Rock's militant. Mr. McKinnon, you put you in the rock cemetery. Other rappers enemy, cause I'm the rock everything. Touch me, you flip you up there. No, I'm rapping more than the old me is dead and gone. New me hack up. Stack up in my limit, cause you know I'm beyond it. How come with me down, militant to put you down? Doubt me, you know I'm making it. I got it like yes sir. Yes sir. Actually, this is a freestyle from Sound Prince and I hope you guys like it. Thank you. Peace.